has to be. Well, I think we can do it. Yeah. Yeah, but it's easier. It's easier if you start with Fred. We can all start threads. You can all start thread. You can all start threads. So you don't need my permission for that. Do you know how to do it? Right-click, start the thread. Easy as that. Maybe I didn't fix the sound. Okay. Ouch. Can you hear me? Okay, perfect. Okay, so New York is now open 17 minutes. US 30 doesn't look good, but I'm just gonna widen the stop loss. I won't be buying US 30 at all. It's a strong sell for me. Okay, you should see both of the TradingView MF trader now. One, two, 1, 2. Okay, can you speak now? Just a second. Can you speak now? No, I can't hear you. Bloody hell. I have no idea. Something went wrong with my sound setup in Zoom or my computer, and I can't fix it. I don't know what's the problem. Strange, anyhow. How it's sound on YouTube? Can you hear me? On YouTube, have you tried it? Or did you listen? I don't know why. How about now? Can you hear echo or? Okay. Okay, but still very strange. It's not as deep and full as before, is it? Okay. Nah, it's probably on you. It's always weird. Okay, guys. So what a weekend. We just had the US, the United States of Israel invaded, the United States and Israel just attacked Iran over the weekend. And of course, everything is all about the news. You saw the videos, you see the pictures, you see the footage, you read the news. But strangely, stock market didn't crash yet, which is a very, very strange thing to see live because it hasn't. Okay, I haven't lived through many wars, but we traded the Ukraine invasion, we traded the Israel-Hamas conflict, and U.S. stock market always crashed, even if it wasn't involved. If something happened, like a big geopolitical event, stock market crashed. But now it's holding up pretty well, and gold started to come down. So either there are some news which we don't know yet about, and they're going to pull our trousers down in a minute, or it's just a setup. What do you think? So it's not just my sound that's bad, it's yours as well. When I There's always logic in everything, and there's always logic whatever you say because you one of the smart ones. But with this event, market should have opened more aggressively. This was very, very tepid, boring market open for New York. I mean, come on. The US just went into war against Iran. Market should have crashed by now. And nothing happened. So I'm gonna wait out because usually the first few hours, a few minutes, depending on, sometimes a few minutes, sometimes a few hours, the session is always wrong. And the US sessions, the direction is always wrong. But the general bias, or my bias, is that gold long, which is so that we made over 2,000, more than 2,000 pips since Friday, and some more today. So gold is going up, which is good, as expected. But the stock market should have crashed by now. Should have crashed so freaking hard. And look at that, even NASDAQ is going up. Hello, what's up, babe? All good in the hood? Hmm. Bitcoin, yeah, absolutely. Well, on that sense, I'm more than happy to lose money if I know that people are safe, like people I know you, but not everyone else, only you and your family. Training? No, I'm renovating the garage. I was doing it by myself, bit of DIY, doing the walls. The how do you call the first layer under the paint, the concrete on the wall. So it came down. Yeah, the plaster came off the footing like 50 centimeters. The plaster came off, and you could see the wall around the garage. So I had to redo it. So I was plastering, and I was doing my stuff, and I was painting as well, and I was doing it with my son. That was the whole point of it. So I could show. He's only 3, but he loved it. I was showing the tools, the plastering tools, you know. Yeah, I mean, we need to raise men. He loved it. Some of my friends came over. They were helping to do the storage system, the shelving system, from wall to wall, from floor to ceiling. And he loved it. He was going around, he was helping everyone, he was bringing beers to the guys. And he sat down. Whew, Daddy, I'm so tired. I worked all day. Yeah, yeah, onions, sausage, everything. No, 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 we don't do pickles. Well, some people do, yeah, but not. It's still in the buy zone. Look at my trading view. Okay, you guys keep chatting. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT what's wrong with my sound system because it sounds a bit off, doesn't it? Hello. Oh shit, I forgot about the data. God, I got so many things in my head. Oh man. Yeah, it's not that it's only manufacturing, so it's not the non-manufacturing which is more sexy, but it could move the market. So and of course the war is overcasting a huge shadow, or casting a shadow over every fundamental news. So it won't be that exciting. Okay, and the data should be out in 20 seconds. It's so weird that the stock market hasn't crashed. Okay. Woo! Prices have gone up so much. Look at the manufacturing prices. That is insane. What is the standard deviation? ISM PMI is in line with expectation, but the prices are through the roof. The last time it was 70 was back in yeah, it was back in 2022 July. That was the last time when it was above 70. No, it's not. You think so? Because nothing is happening? Yeah. Oh man. You got too much time today at home, aren't you? What is she cooking? Oh, put some. I got a tip for you. Do you like spicy? Oh, put some chili in the pumpkin soup and crumble some amaranth biscuit. Sweet and spicy, mate. Yeah, but I'm not sure if the amaranth biscuit and prawns work together well. Ah, okay. Ooh, it's very good. Yeah. So, in the meantime, I'm checking my ChatGPT to fix the sound because it doesn't sound right to me. But anyhow, that is something, uh, my job. Monday is always boring. Yeah, but come on, we almost had World War III breaking out, so it's not a boring Monday. Hello, bad. Acknowledge. It's Murphy's Law. When you need to rush, you guaranteed you're gonna be late. That's it. You're leaving us. When is your Zumba class starts today? No Zumba? Okay. Enjoy it, brother. See you tomorrow. don't know. Probably he made it big with the algorithm he was selling with the EA. Just kidding, I don't know. I was just taking the piss because he was supposed to. Anyway, it was a joke, but I don't know. But maybe, he made his fortune and he's free now financially. Yeah, I wish the best for Brad. Yeah, yeah, you need to grind. You need to grind. Mm. But why? Why is it in 30 minutes? Mm. Yeah. Yep, it did found support. Full margin, full margin buys. Look at TradingView. I marked the buys on. I bought exactly on the top. It could come lower because of the gap and because of the pivots lower, but it's too wide, the buy zone. No idea. Sorry, who asked the question? Greg, you asked about US 30. Ah, Abdullah, hi. Yeah, um, I'm I'm selling. Logically speaking, I mean, you do whatever you want, so don't wait for my signal or my, you know, it's not financial advice, so it's your decision. But logically, when you look at that, the US just went into war with Iran and shoulder to shoulder with Israel, logically, US stocks should sell off. That's one reason. The other reason is that oil prices are about now $70 per barrel, I think. Yeah, $70. So $10 increase within hours, $4, $5, $10. So I think every $10 increase in oil is about 3% loss or 10% loss for companies um, on their revenue. Those who are exposed to, heavy oil prices. But long story short, fundamentally speaking, stock market should drop US 30 and gold should go higher. But what we see now is in the morning it was going into the direction I explained, but now it's stalled. I'm not sure what's happening because there are no news. Still, things we're waiting for more information. But right now, I think the market needs catalyst. But in my opinion, in my experience, stocks should have gone down by now, and gold should up. That's my view. you can't, you can't. I wouldn't believe it. I mean, come on, the US just went into war. If it was a normal Monday or some shitty data, like, or even NFP, I could imagine that, some big banks collaborating on fixing the price. But when the US is going to war, absolutely no one has power in the market to move the market. Only in markets or assets where there's lack of liquidity, where they can move the market with a tiny buy or sell. But gold market and the stock market, it's just way too big for one person to manipulate and to hold the price for 41 minutes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 1212 111. Now, no, it's not the echo. It's the sound is very thin. Hmm.
Mate.
Mate.
Everything.
Everything.
All
All
the...
the
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
No
No
way.
way.
Oh
Oh
my
my
god.
God.
You
You
can't.
can't do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These
These
new
new
televisions,
televisions,
you
you
can't
can't
fix
fix
them
them
like
like
it used
these.
to.
Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
we
are.
are.
No,
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 he's
he's
okay.
okay.
He's
He's
not
not
that.
that.
He's
He's
savage
savage
in
in
other
other
parts of
parts of
life,
life,
but
but
he
he
started to
started to
calm
calm
down.
down. Ooh, what's happening? Something's happening with US dollar, Japanese yen. It's climbing up. I got closed out. How on earth is the US dollar strengthening? Cash is king. No, it's hoarding cash. Cash is king. But the other thing is I don't understand is why the stock market is increasing. So when dollar is being bought, gold has stalled, it's completely froze the price, and the US stock market is going up, despite the US just going into war. It's not normal. Yeah, but it wasn't. That's the perverse thing. So many countries have been dragged into this war, like all the neighboring countries around Iran. The US started the war, and yet the stock market is going up and gold is going down.
They can't explain. So
there must be some new, there must be some information, because even if the that 1 or 2,000 pip move since market open was nothing considering the scale and the importance of what just happened over the last 48 hours. No one can tell me.
No.
That's true, but did the market price in already the missiles which were landing in 3 neighboring countries? I doubt. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Dubai. Okay, guys, I'm gonna bail out as well. I'm gonna bail out as well, and yeah, the market is not moving, so just wait. I'm going to wait. Bye. Ciao, cacao. Yeah. No, it's alright. My condolences. Yeah, we always say if you want to speak, but anyway, let's discuss this in private, yeah? Alright, see you guys. Okay, guys, so the market is very strange. Obviously, you can see that gold just found equilibrium at 5,327. I am strong buy on gold. I think I have 3 positions that you can see on the chart, and I'm expecting prices to go up to 5,600, which was the previous all-time high. And selling Bitcoin, selling US indices, and buying gold. If you wish to join the Alpha FX community, go to alphafx.eu and join today. Thank you so much. Have a good day.